one of my favorite joke that I do, that I share this joke in these days party because there is one Japanese colleague of mine visited Pakistan for the first time. One fine day he read the newspaper in Pakistan and he asked me questions. Ando-san, Pakistan is a very generous country. Not only non-tax filer doesn't go to jail, but they now allowed to buy more automobile. And that was really interesting because the non-tax filer in Japan needs to go to jail, or for that part, many countries. And that it's very difficult maybe, but if you, Asad-san, can comment on that, so that I can pass it to my Japanese colleague.
You only know of half the joke. You only know of half the joke because the strongest recommendations for allowing the non-filers to buy cars came from Japanese car manufacturers. How's that for a joke?
So now I understand that he can joke in English also.